Hello everyone, I am Dharmendra Nautiyal, Managing Director, Prima Power India. Welcome to Forming Now. We assemble our 5-axis cutting machine, Optimo Bharat, in India. This machine comes in two sizes, 1.5 meter by 3 meter bed size and also 2 meter by 4 meter. All the machines for automotive applications are equipped with turntable for the faster production and easy loading options. These machines are coming with dual protection against the crashes, and all the machines are coming with the linear guides. Maintenance free machine, high production environment, suitable for automotive production. Prima Power India is a subsidiary of Prima Group. Prima Power is into the manufacturing of sheet metal processing machineries. We have plants in Italy, in Finland, in US, in China. We also assemble machines of 5-axis cutting applications in India. Our main products are laser cutting, drilling, welding machines, laser punching and laser cutting machines, punching machines, combination machines, primarily for the sheet metal industry. Our customers are coming from the diverse sectors like elevators, electrical panels, automotive, aerospace. We think of the application in sheet metal, and we are there.